Good evening, students. Today we discuss a lesson of computer, that is lesson number 6, programming in Q Basic. Now all of you open your book and you see your book page number 66. Today we discuss about system commands of file menu, about statements, and only two statements we discuss. First one is rem and another one is lit. Okay, the first you see about system commands of file menu. The following are the commands of the file menu, which are as follows. So file menu, so menu bar of QBasic window has various commands that help you to create, edit, view and print your program. So in a file menu we see the different type of command like new command, open command, save command and exit command. Okay, first we discuss about new command. So this command is used to open a new file. So how to open a new file? We can use only two steps. First one is click on file menu in the menu bar. Number 2, click on new option from the file menu. It will open a new file. So in file menu has commands to create, open, save and print the file. So the options of file menus, first one is new options, and these options is selected to open a new blank file with the name. Suppose you give the name is Rinky. Okay, with the new command we can open the file. Next is the open command. The open command allow you to open existing program from the disk on the memory. So here having 4 steps how to open the command. The first one is click on open from the file menu. The open dialog box will appear. Number 2, this list box will show the list of the all files. Next we select the required file. Move the control to file by using the arrow or direction keys. Number 3, press enter key or click on OK. 4, the selected program will be open. So open option loads or open an already existing file, and when you select the open option, an open dialog box will appear. Next you select the program file that you want to open from the displayed options, and you then press the enter key. Okay, next you see about save command. So this command is used to save the active program into the hard disk. To save a program, click on save command from the file menu. So save command is used to save the program file. Okay, and we can see the save command in the file menu. Next we see about exit command. To select exit command from the file menu to exit from the QBasic, or you can press keyboard shortcut Alt+F to select a file. So exit means to close the QBasic window. So we can close the QBasic window, we can exit command, we can click from file menu. So another shortcut method of exit command we can use Alt+F. So this command is used to close the QBasic window. Okay, next we see about how to run a program. So after you typing any program must be executed. To execute a program, first we click on start option from the run menu or press keyboard shortcut Shift plus F5. So run a program, you can use run menu. You can use start option from the run menu. So another shortcut method of run command is you can use shift plus F5 key. This is the shortcut method to run a program. Okay, so now you see about what is statement. So a statement is a sentence in which you say something to the computer. So in basic language, the instruction you give to the computer is called statement. There are various types of statements, but one thing is common, that the keyword should always be first and then other elements of that statement. Otherwise, the computer will be unable to recognize which functions to perform and an error message will appear on the screen. So is command in QBasic known as statements. So with the help of statements we give instruction to the computer. Okay, so is command in QBasic is known as statements, and with the help of statements we give instruction to the computer. So in a computer we can now today we discuss two only statements. First one is RAM statements and another is let statements. Okay, so okay, now always your book page number 68 about RAM statements. So RAM stand for remark. When any remark is needed to be given in the program, in order to make a list of program to show some messages like subject of the program, heading part of program, programmer's name, date of program's writing, etc., the RAM statement is used. So RAM stand for remark. RAM statement is used to make a list of program to show some messages like you can subject of the program, heading part of program, and programming name. And RAM statement is also used to write command in the program. The commands help the programmers to write note about the purpose of the program and also describe the variables to make it easy to understand. The commands are not visible during the execution of the program. So command do not affect the output of the program. Okay, suppose if you write any RAM statement in computer, so any comma, double quote or any other syntax is not compulsory. Okay, and RAM is not very necessary to be written with the program, but it is only used to highlight the remarks within the program. Okay, next we see about let statement. So let is used like the word suppose. In computation we often use the same data or a number of times. This is done by using a variable. When you want any data item or any other quantity after computations to be put in a variable, the let statement is used. So let is an assignment statement and it is used to assign the value to a variable. And let statement is also used to assign a value or set of values to a variables or a record, and is variable of any data types except for the object, and data types can be assigned values with the help of let statement. So let statement is used like the word suppose, and when we want any data item or any other quality after computations to be put in a variable, we use let statements. Okay, so second term only coming from page number 68, RAM and let. Okay, so thank you. Today we complete our class. Thank you.